Hi guys, right, I thought I'd take the time out to fill you in what's going on. As you know, this is my build, my dream car, the Lamborghini Countach. Okay, it's not the real one, but it's going to be a goddamn good replica. And as you've seen on my videos, I've been building this along, we're getting there slowly, and I had a nice call from Prova, as you all know. They seem to like what they see in my build, and they've offered me some help with my build. So basically I'll get parts cheaper. They're not giving me parts, I'm getting parts cheaper just to finish off my build. So fingers crossed the build will go a lot quicker than I was expecting it to go. And once this is finished, they've asked me to build cars for them, for their customers, which as you can tell, absolutely blown my mind. So yeah, crazy. They like my lights as well, so they said, oh, can you make us some lights? And I'm like, well, mate, my priority is my car. Let me get my car built, and then I'll do whatever you like. So yeah, that's pretty much what the future of Spooners Out is going to be. It's crazy, isn't it? I can't thank Prova Designs enough for even contacting me and asking me, and I know you're watching, thank you very much. I'm very humbled by it, and it's crazy. I never in a million years thought that I'd get contacted by any kind of company to do anything for them. Like I say, I was just doing the videos because my arms are bad, so I've had to stop riding motorcycles, which was my passion since I was a kid. And this picture of this car was on my bedroom wall, so it just seemed fitting to, after I've been depressed for quite a long and going down a dark road, I stumbled across this car, bought it, and future's taking off. So I don't want to let this go to my head at all. It's just something, if it still happens after I've built my car, great. If it doesn't, great. You know what I mean? I'm happy either way. Like I say, I never set out to impress anybody, be somebody I'm not. This was my dream car, and I wanted to build it. So yeah, for Prova, they've sent me a couple of advertising stuff to put on the channel. They're only short ones, and if you're building a car and you need parts, give them a ring, get in contact with them, because they said they got every single part you need to finish your build. So keep that in mind if you're building your cars, guys and girls. What else can I say? Yeah, just crazy. You never know, after I finish building this car, it might be your car. You watch me build, you can come down to where I live and say, yeah, I want this change, I want that change, I like this, I like that. And everybody else sees your car being built. That'd be crazy, wouldn't it, if we could do that? Yeah, so the possibilities really of this channel is beyond. So keep watching. Love you all. I enjoy reading every single can't even speak. I love reading every comment you guys and girls send, and I reply to everybody, and I love you all. You're like a big family to me, and just enjoy my build. And if you don't like it, that's okay, I don't mind. That's up to you. But if you do like the build, great, love it, I'm enjoying it. It is hard work, doing a full-time job because I'm in emergency service and trying to build this car at the same time. it's crazy, but yeah, we've come a long way. We've come a long way with it. So, further ado, here's another advert from Prova Designs, countach cars. So it is a UK-based company. As you can tell, I'm in the UK, even though I've got an Australian top on. But my sister lives out in Australia, so yeah. crazy. So enjoy the clip. Hope you enjoyed the clip, guys. I suppose you want to see these lights work now, don't you? Now they're done. So here we go. Here's my lights. We're back on the motors now. I stripped the motors down. They're ready to go either side. I gotta try and relearn all this now, wire it all back up. I have got some plenty of wire. I got my schematic there for the wiring, and now tedious wiring now. Great. So I need to open one of the motors up so I know where maximum out is, so I'll keep one motor in and the other one out, so I can pair them up to see if the light is going to be fully extended. If not, I'm going to have to extend one of the levers off the motor. Hopefully I don't have to do that. So there's tedious bit of wiring for me now. Great. Right, we got it all wired up now. So all I gotta do now is plug it in and hopefully work. Motor temporary setup. So that motor there is on fully extend. But this setup doesn't work. Alright. So when this comes down, it almost drags the light back inside, which is no good. This is like a lot of trial and error. So I'm going to take that mount off now and try and remount it in a different position. Whew. A lot of trial and error stuff, but it's got to be done. There's no manual for this stuff, so yeah, we make another mounting system now, and hopefully next time, second time round, we get it in the right place. So there we are. I think I found the one with it up in there like that. So we'll go and try them. I'll put you down by here. Hopefully you can see alright by there. Here we go. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. Lights on. Lights off. Yes! Come on! Just got to do all that now on the other side. But we're another step closer, which is great. Now we've got this side done, and all that, I got to copy now, all that now onto the other side. So here we go. A bit of faffing about. We got the second side all built, and we're just doing the light now, finding the right level for the light to come up. So we get the motor on that now. It's getting a bit late on me now, so I'll have to do that tomorrow. So we'll catch you tomorrow. Second light is in, installed. Just got them all tacked in at the moment. So hopefully, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it from by here, but if I put you in the middle, hopefully you can see both lights. I haven't wired up my trigger wire yet either. I'm going to still do that. So lights on. Yeah, we're a go. One more time for the people. Lovely. Woo!